A Chicago area military base has been contacted about supporting immigration enforcement operations.
It is possible the National Guard could be based there as threatened by President Trump. Fox 32's Joni Lum has more.
The commanding officer at Naval Station Great Lakes reportedly sent an email to staff telling them to expect federal agents to house there in September with a potential to support National Guard units. The military base is an hour north of Chicago, and apparently they are preparing. The Sun-Times reports the email says federal agents from the Department of Homeland Security, ICE, and U.S. Customs and Border Protection would make Naval Station Great Lakes their base from September 2nd through the 30th for immigration enforcement. State and local officials say they've not been included in any communications about National Guard troops being deployed here. But city officials said in an online briefing they are preparing for protests and safeguarding the city.
Comes to the National Guard, look, these people work for the federal government. When we think about protocol for them, their rules of engagement are different from that of local law enforcement. So what we would do is just try to communicate to everyone to keep it peaceful.
Local activists say they are united in resisting President Trump.
Chicago and Washington, D.C. are being targeted because we stand up and we fight for working class and immigrant families.
One public figure, former candidate Willie Wilson, says, as the father of a victim of gun violence, he wants the National Guard's help.
Get this situation fixed. They have had the opportunity to get it fixed and have not gotten it fixed. And it just didn't start last month. It's been down through the years. Don't reject help to anybody that can save lives.
The governor, mayor, and police superintendent all say they haven't had any communication with federal sources. But if National Guard troops end up on the streets of Chicago, they expect them to assist, not arrest. Joni Lum, Fox 32, Chicago.